Round number 12, we start with the raising loop here and one single crochet into the same single crochet. Then we have to make 10 loops, just simple 10 loops. It's a difficult round, please be very attentive. One treble crochet into the middle here, into the little arch. And in the very next step after this treble crochet, we have to make 26 loops. Here will be 22. These ones are 22. And for the arch, another 4, so which will be 26. I put 16 on the top. You can see 16. No, it's just a mistake. 16 is not the right way. It's just my mental mistake. So after that, we make treble crochet into the 9th loop from the end and 4 more loops to make the other arch. Then we make connection or slip stitch into the 4th from treble crochet and 3 more slip stitches up to raise the round. Then we have to turn here our doily and make 1 loop double crochet, 1 loop double crochet, 1 loop double crochet, and this way we will have to make 8, let me see, no, 7 double crochet in the whole round. Oh, it says 6 double crochet in the whole round. Then we have to do after that 8 loops. This is for to raise the round and for the next arch. Single crochet into the middle arch, 5 loops and a treble crochet into the middle double crochet, 5 loops and 1 more single crochet, and again 5 loops for the arch. Slip stitch into the third loop, slip stitch 1 more up, and 7 single crochet into the arch. Each arch is going to have 7 single crochet, but here in the middle we have to make the connection, the slip stitch into the previous round, into the top of the big arch. So we're finishing the round with the 7 simple single crochet. Make here another 7 loops, and then 1 more treble crochet into the middle of the previous round, into the arch. 10 loops again, and again a slip stitch into the top of the previous round arch. This way is going to be our pattern. The last one will be the slip stitch into the single crochet. Let me show you how it's going to be here. We make a raising loop with another color. Here you can see I started with another color, and 1 more single crochet into the same stitch. And after that we have to do 10 more loops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yarn over 2 times, treble crochet into the middle of the arch from the previous round into the small one, and we make treble crochet here, and after that we make 26 loops. 1, 26. I'm sorry. So this will be the formation of our corner. So we yarn over 2 times, and we have to count here the 9th, into the 9th loop we have to make the treble crochet. Be very attentive here, please. Into the 9th, 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, into this one, treble crochet, 4 loops for the arch in the corner, 2 3 4, and this will be our corner. So in order to understand, you can also turn the doily. Let's count 1 2 3 4, and into the 4th one we make 4. Into the 4th one we make a slip stitch, and also 3 more times the slip stitch into the next 3 loops. Let me show you how to do it. 1 2 3. Here we have to make 1 loop because we're going to turn. Okay, let me show you. This will be the corner. 1 loop here and 1 double crochet. We have to turn the doily here like that. 1 loop and 1 double crochet into the arch, into the next arch. Again, 1 loop and 1 more double crochet into the same arch. 1, yeah, like that, 1 loop, and now we're going to make a double crochet into the treble crochet in here, into the top. Be careful, take 2, the whole loop, like that. And let's see, it's only half of the corner. Same is gonna be the other one. 1 loop, double crochet here, 1 loop again, and double crochet again into the same place. I'm stretching because I want to see how the material behaves. 1 more loop, and the last one, double crochet. You can do just into the arch, it doesn't matter. I'm counting 3 loops and I'm going into the 3rd one here. Yes, it already looks like a corner. Not bad. And okay, we have to do 8 loops here. According to the chart, it's gonna be 8 loops. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and here we have to turn the doily again and make 1 single crochet into the middle, into the 2nd arch. Let me show you. It's gonna be, it's uncomfortable, but anyways, we have to do that. This is the 2nd, the 1st one, and this is the 2nd, single crochet, Okay, and we make 5 loops for the arch. 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we have to make treble crochet into the middle of this arch. It's gonna be the double crochet top. Find this one top, the double crochet, the middle one, and we make a treble crochet into here. And 5 more loops, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again into the middle arch. It's going to be the second one from here. We make single crochet and 5 more loops, 2, 3, 4, 5. We need to find in this chain the loop number 1, 2, 3. Yes, into the 4th we make the slip stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4th, correct. And 1 more slip stitch into the next. And here we turn the doily and we have to make 7 single crochet into each arch. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The next arch 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1 single crochet into here, into the middle. One single crochet. And right now we are going to make a slip stitch with the previous round into the big arch, right into the middle, just a slip stitch. For the beginners, please let it be as tight as possible. 7 single crochet into the next arch. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 7 more single crochet into the last arch. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This way we are forming our angle. This angle is going to be from all other sides similar. I will show you how to finish this round. Next will be 7 loops after. I will show you right now. Let's do it together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And a treble crochet into this little arch, into the middle. Somewhere here, I think, yes. Treble crochet is done, and then again 10 loops, the slip stitch with the previous round, again 10 loops, treble crochet, and for the corner 26 loops. It will look better when we straighten the doily. Okay, I'm in the end of the round. I make the slip stitch with the first single crochet, and this is how it's gonna look like. It will be much better when we make the rest of the rounds. I'll see you soon.